Away now. 4 covers, table 3. Yep, 4 lemon sole, table 3. Barney, your
Chef.
table. Let's go. Sole in.
Sauce.
Sophie. Yes? Away now. 4 covers, table 10. 4 lemon sole and papillote away. Let's go.
Yes, chef.
Now, Barney.
Chef.
Yes, Sophie, Ollie, Tommy. I'm trusting you guys to get this absolutely spot on. You know that?
Yes, chef.
Because this gets cooked in the oven, and the surprise, the excitement is when it hits the table on papillote, slightly souffled, and that lovely surprise in front of the customer when they open that bag. Yes?
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
Let's go, guys. Yes. Don't forget the wine in there as well. Good
chef.
Yes.
Couch.
Herbs.
One in lots, yeah. Paper on
The
top.
best thing to do is to get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you know. You work 4 times faster.
Yes, chef.
Simple mathematics. So one on there, you've got 2 there now, it's fine. But on there, stage, and then wrap them all at the same time.
Oh,
yes?
chef, thanks a lot.
Yes,
Thanks, chef.
let's go. Good, let's go.
I'll put them in.
Right, in the oven, let's
Right,
go.
and...
Come on, get them in the oven. Come on,
Yeah,
come on.
Check what time it is, chef.
Yeah, no, but put them in the oven, then look at your watch. Oh, my God.
Okay.
Which level?
Keep that oven door closed, Barney. Yeah, otherwise nothing's going to fucking... We open the oven door, we close it straight away. Okay? We don't sit there and discuss timings. Open, close straight away. With the sole, I'm serving potatoes with mint and chard with garlic. Now, that's loads for 4. Okay, back off. A little bit more seasoning. Yeah? And then all we do is just toss it. That's all. Toss it. It cooks so quickly. That's it. So we take it off the stove, off the heat. Okay, see how it breaks down?
Yeah.
Yes? And we just wilt it very quickly. Watch, please. There, that's it. Cooked.
Okay.
Done. And the lightness of the chard with the Jersey Royals is a perfect accompaniment. You know that?
Okay.
See how it's still got texture in there. Come on, please. Let's go.
Sauce.
Right. Hello, madam.
Yes.
Taste that and tell me what you think it needs. Quickly. Yeah, chard.
More garlic. Hasn't got enough.
There's not even salt in there either. Can we have the chard cooked nicely with a bit of texture, yes? And the reason why it looks like there's nothing in the bowl is because we're overcooking it. It's like a spinach leaf, like a wilted lettuce leaf. It needs texture there. Yes? Put the pan down, please. Straight off there, into there, and out. Give it a little shake. Okay? Then back into your pan like that, and then from there into there. Okay? Right. 1 chard. Table 4, please, yeah? Go. Let's go. Right, Ollie and Tommy. Yes, sir. Yeah? 3 each away again now, yes? 1 table 3. 3 on table 1, 3 on table 5, please. Ollie, you got table 1, let's go. Tommy, you got table 5. Listen, Tommy. 3 and 3. Let's go.
3, yes, chef.
Service, please.
Barney, I'm going to do your potatoes as well, okay? Is it yours 4?
What?
Is yours 4? 4 servings?
Yeah.
Give me 1 more.
Potatoes?
Here,
They're
chef.
here. He's just
Now,
done them.
can you do me a favour and do your own and stop depending on each other to do, because that's what's confusing it. Just do your own pan,
Yes, chef.
1 each. 1 for 5, 1 for 4. End of story. There's 1 more table to come, please.
Cool.
Yeah?
Okay, we'll
Thank
keep
you.
it.
Bit of mint.
Now you can see it's enough for 5 in there, easily, yes?
Otherwise you do loads of
That's right.
pieces.
It's got texture there, it's lightly wilted. Taste it, please. Understand what we're doing, yes? Let's go.
Good.
Service, please.
Do you know when-
We go
when
table
was the next
14, yeah?
one?
Fucking listen to me, please, yes?
When's it?
Thank you.
Love the flavour of the dill. Went very well with the fish. The vegetables were fantastic. Just thought it was a really good dish.
I enjoyed it, but it wasn't amazing.
Good flavour. It was simple. It was simple. It was nice. Subtle flavours, and loved it. Loved it. I paid for it.
Where is he? OK, guys, let's go. Sophie. Barney, let's go.
Okay, Gordon?
Ollie, come over, please. Results of the main course, yes?
Yeah, it went fairly well. 38 are paying.
So only 12 non-paying?
Yeah.
And what do they say, the 12?
Slightly too watery, but that was the main complaint, to be honest. They really love it, actually.
Too
They really
watery?
like it. Yeah.
It's a delicate, dainty, sweet fish.
Yeah.
Yeah? 38 paying, 12 not paying. Yes?
Well, let's fucking do it on this one. Let's
Yeah. Let's definitely make up for the next 12, yes? OK, good. Well done, yes?